How do you find out the details of the Mac you're working with? Hello, my name is Chet Davis, your technology tutor, with a quick tech tip. If you're on a Mac computer, an Apple computer, you may be wondering, what are the minimum specifications? How much RAM or application memory is on this device? When was this device created? Because that can pertain to software recommendations. Usually software says should have a minimum of X amount of RAM or application memory, or should have X amount of space on the hard drive, or only works with a Mac computer, late 2014 and beyond. So here's how to find that out. What you want to do on your Mac computer, whether you're on a Mac Mini, an Apple laptop, or a desktop, go to the Apple icon in the upper left corner. Click on that, and you see there's a bunch of options here. What we want to do is select About This Mac, and it opens up what we call a dialog box or a menu. Now it tells me what the operating system is that I'm running and the version of that operating system. It tells me the year this computer was released, not when I purchased it, because that could be a later date, but when this particular computer was released. You see late 2014. It tells me the processor, and underneath it, the memory. That's the application memory, and a lot of us technologists call that RAM, random access memory or application memory. So this has 8 gigabytes of RAM. You want to make sure that you have at least the minimum, ideally the recommended amount of RAM when you're running specific software. Now, one other thing that I want to show you that I think is valuable, you can see there's 5 different tabs up here, which can be useful at different times. I want to recommend you click on the storage device. Now, the internal storage device, you can see here, has 1 terabyte of capacity, or that's 1,000 gigabytes. And I am using, it's calculating what the percentage is, so I am using about 718 gigabytes of that 1,000 gigabytes. So I have 191 gigabytes approximately available. So I still have a pretty good amount of space available on this device. If you have an external device also connected, you see it will list that backup drive as well, so you can see the different amount of capacity. In another lesson, we'll go through the specifics of how do you determine where, what's on your device, what are all those documents, what's taking up so much hard drive space. And I highly recommend a low-cost application called Space Gremlin that will help you look inside your computer, look inside your Mac, and see what are the files and what's taking up the most space. A lot of people are surprised there's stuff in there they didn't think is still in there that's taking up your space. I'll put the link for that video below. Chet Davis, your technology tutor. Thanks for joining me on this quick tech tip.